Hey guys, it's Jen from iCreate Crafts. Today is going to be a different kind of video. This is going to be a really quick how to find something, I guess. Somebody had asked me about my fonts that I used on here, and normally I list them, but for whatever reason I forgot to list it on here, and I had no idea what fonts I used for this, and I felt so bad because once you weld something, it doesn't tell you what font it is. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I was going through the fonts up here and I'm trying to type in Santa and try to match it up to see if I could find it, because I use specific ones sometimes. I was going off my list in my head, which ones do I always use. It wasn't one that I normally used, so I was going crazy trying to find this, and I found a way to show you guys how to find out what font you use if you weld something. So that's what this video is about. Pretty much, how do you know which font you use after you weld it? So here is the trick, guys. Ready for this? Okay, so this one is welded, obviously, right? So you can see it's darker gray on the side here, so it's telling me this is what I'm clicking on. So if I click on this one, it'll bring me down to here. So I'm gonna do this one quick. So it's the Santa watch. So all you gotta do, watch this guys, how quick it is. Right click, go down to image info, see right here, and it kind of blocks it out a little bit, but you can see it. Hopefully you guys can see it. It says retro script on it. So that is the font that I actually used for the Santa watch one here. So I can't believe it took me forever to figure that one out, but I'm so happy that I finally did, and I wanted to share with you guys in case this happens to you and you just want to remember what font you used for something, instead of doing what I did for about half an hour typing in Santa and trying to match it up. This is just the easier way to do it if you weld something. So again, I'll do it here. This Santa cam one, I have no idea what it is, but I know that I made it, so I was just wondering what font that is. So again, you just click on it. It shows you right here with the darker gray color. You just right click. It'll say image info here, and then it'll get really light, and it says font playland. So, oh my gosh, that's a huge lifesaver for me, because a lot of videos, sometimes I forget to write, hey, this is the font I used, or where I get it from. Sometimes they can come from, Design Space here, or I download them from DaFont. But I felt so bad when somebody asked me on this video, what font did you use? And it took me a couple days to figure it out. But I just thought that would be a really quick tutorial for you guys, just showing you if you have the same problem as me, is not always remembering to write down what your fonts are that you used. That was just a really quick way to show you. I was really happy that I found it and just wanted to share it with you guys. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that I can try to help you with, please leave them down below. But I really hope this helps you out. Happy holidays, everyone, and happy crafting.